If you're alive in 2025, your life is very different. Technology has evolved so quickly that what seemed impossible just yesterday is becoming reality today. In fact, some experts say this is the most ambitious year of Musk's career. So here's a quick breakdown of everything Elon is working on right now, how it will impact your life, and why everyone is so excited about the future. Let's get started, starting with SpaceX. For over 2 decades, Musk has dreamed of a regenerative rocket. Now, it's almost here. The goal is simple. A rocket that can fly to space, land, be refurbished, and fly again. Space travel would become cheap and easy. We could finally reach the Moon and Mars. Last year, SpaceX reached an important milestone. A Falcon 9 rocket landed perfectly on a drone ship after delivering cargo to the International Space Station. It was a perfect, soft landing. At first glance, it looked like any other launch, but in the world of rocket science, this is huge. It proves the rocket boosters can survive re-entry, stay stable, and land precisely. After all, getting a rocket back from space is harder than sending it up. There are multiple steps like slowing down, deorbiting, flipping, stabilizing, and touching down. It takes split-second decisions and perfect calculations. Most rockets don't make it through this process. Either they burn out too quickly, can't slow down enough, or face technical problems during the flight. But Falcon 9 did it, and it wasn't just a lucky success. It was the result of years of hard work. Every part of the booster is designed to withstand the incredible forces of space travel. The Merlin engines are powerful and efficient, allowing for a controlled descent. The grid fins help steer and stabilize the rocket during re-entry, and the landing legs provide support during touchdown. Falcon 9 isn't the only one either. NASA's SLS rocket is aiming for the same thing. It's scheduled to launch later this year and could make history with its first Artemis mission. If successful, it will show that space travel can be safe, reliable, and cost-effective. SpaceX plans to reuse rockets up to 100 times. Right now, each launch costs around $67 million. Reuse will drop that to $2 million per flight. In the long term, this could make space travel as common as air travel. Musk is aiming high, but progress is swift. Some industry experts believe that regenerative rockets are inevitable. When they arrive, the world won't be the same. Speaking of reinvention, have you seen Tesla's newest creation? No, not a new car. Something much bigger. Imagine a city where cars drive themselves, traffic is eliminated, and accidents are rare. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? It could become a reality soon, thanks to Tesla's secret project. What is Project Dojo? And why should you care? Think of Dojo as the AI training ground. It helps computers learn from experience. In the case of self-driving cars, this means feeding them tons of data so they can navigate roads, identify pedestrians, and respond to unexpected situations. Dojo uses advanced hardware and software to handle massive amounts of data, making the process faster and more efficient. Why is this important? Well, AI is everywhere these days. It powers our smartphones, personal assistants, and even self-driving cars. But training AI models is a complex process that requires huge computing power and large datasets. Dojo simplifies this. It uses a specialized chip called the system on a chip, or SOS, to perform multiple functions on one piece of hardware, reducing the need for multiple chips and simplifying the manufacturing process. These chips are designed to work together in large numbers, forming a powerful network that can handle vast amounts of data. So, how does Dojo benefit you? Well, imagine a world where self-driving cars are commonplace, reducing the number of accidents caused by human error and making transportation safer and more efficient. Or think of healthcare applications where AI can analyze medical images and assist doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. Dojo's efficiency in training AI models can help accelerate progress in various fields, benefiting us all. And then there's Tesla's humanoid robot. Maybe you've heard of it. People call it Optimus subprime, or even Tesla bot. But there's more to the story. Here's the real scoop. Tesla revealed their robot in May 2021. It looks like a sleek, slim human with smooth movements. But don't be fooled. It's a powerhouse packed with sensors, cameras, processors, and actuators. These components work together to give the robot its human-like appearance and abilities. The robot can walk, run, and even dance like a pro. But it's not just a pretty face. It's got brains and brawn. It can lift heavy objects, work on assembly lines, and even do household chores. It's like having a personal assistant, except it's robotic. So, how does this marvel of engineering work? It's all about artificial intelligence. The robot uses computer vision and deep learning to understand its environment and interact with humans. It can recognize faces, understand language, and respond to commands. Plus, it's got a sense of touch. It can feel pain and adjust its movements accordingly. Safety features like emergency stop buttons and collision avoidance systems ensure it doesn't harm anyone while working. So, why should you care about this robot? Well, it could change the way we live and work. Imagine a world where robots can perform dangerous or repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for more creative pursuits. Or picture a future where robots assist in healthcare, helping with surgeries and providing companionship to the elderly. The possibilities are endless. But before any of this can happen, Elon needs more followers. He's been posting more than ever before. His tweets are like treasure chests filled with hidden clues. Take this one, for example. It looks random, but it reveals Musk's fascination with dragons. He even tweeted a picture of himself reading a book titled Dragon with a Crown. These posts might seem like just another billionaire flexing their wealth, but they're actually a sneak peek into Musk's innovative mind. He often uses cryptic messages to share big ideas. For instance, in 2020, he posted a rocket emoji followed by the letter B, sparking rumors about a new space mission. Later that year, SpaceX launched the first Crew Dragon mission, carrying astronauts to the ISS. So, what's the deal with these strange posts? Well, Musk isn't your typical tech CEO. He uses social media to connect with people directly, bypassing the media spin. By posting cryptic messages, he generates curiosity and excitement around his projects. It's like playing a game of hide and seek, but with multi-billion-dollar implications. For us regular folks, it's entertaining to try and decode his tweets. But it also gives us a glimpse into the creative process of one of the world's most brilliant minds. So next time you see a cryptic post from Musk, don't just dismiss it as a billionaire being quirky. There might be a hidden meaning waiting to be discovered. Who knows? You might be the first to catch on to his latest brainwave. In business, Musk is thinking even bigger. He's taking his fight to save endangered species to the next level. He's offering $100 million in rewards for developing tech that protects wildlife. Musk wants to help animals threatened by climate change and human activity. He's concerned about species loss and wants to protect biodiversity. His idea is to use tech to monitor and safeguard species and their habitats. That could mean using drones to count turtles, AI to track animal movements, or sensors to monitor environmental conditions. It's not just about saving species. It's about preserving the natural world for future generations. For many, this seems like a wild idea. Some think it's a publicity stunt, but others see it as a chance to use tech for good. They think it could inspire young people to care about nature and science. Whether you agree with Musk or not, one thing's for sure: he's not afraid to speak his mind. He uses social media to share his views and engage with others. Recently, he expressed his support for free speech and democracy. He's also spoken out against corruption and abuse of power. Some like this, seeing it as refreshing in a world where many leaders stay quiet on important issues. Others criticize him, believing he should focus on his businesses rather than politics. But whatever you think, there's no denying that Musk's opinions are thought-provoking and often controversial. He challenges people to think differently and question the status quo. In the end, Musk's story is one of constant evolution. He's not afraid to experiment, fail, and learn from his mistakes. He embraces change and encourages others to do the same. Love him or hate him, one thing's for sure. He's not just a billionaire tech CEO. He's a visionary who's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, whether you're a fan or not, you could undeny that. Musk is someone to watch in 2025. He is a true original who is changing the world in ways both big and small. And who knows what surprises he has up his sleeve next. Thank you for watching. This is our channel. We make videos about the next generation of tech billionaires and their impact on society. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more.